Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're just gonna be replacing a tail light. So, I was told by a coworker that, when I hit my lights, that side comes on, this side's out. So we're gonna figure out what's going on. All right, so the first thing I notice when getting under here is it's missing the resistor. Bring you to this side really fast. See, you're supposed to have one of these bad boys and this little resistor right here. So I don't know if that may have anything to do with it. So what I wound up doing is that I ordered another set from Amazon. I mean, they're like 20 bucks. I'll put up the link. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is let me connect this resistor. And I'll leave my other hand, but let me see if I can connect this guy into here. And let's see if that just solves the light issue. Maybe it was just the resistor. All right, so we got that guy connected. Real simple. Like I said, I mean, all you do is just clip it and just like that. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. So we got that side. How about this side? Nope, zero light on this side. Okay, back underneath the truck. Okay, y'all, so go ahead, take off your resistor. I went ahead and did that. And then now you're gonna have to undo your light. So you're gonna pop this guy out. And the way these lights go connected, you're gonna have this piece that comes out from the light and you stick it in here to the bulb. That's where that resistor goes. So next step, pull that guy out. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna do the whole setup here. We're gonna get a brand new one, the bulb with the resistor. Let's see. So we'll get one like this that has the resistor already on it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this. Sorry for the camera angle there. You wanna connect this back up to your bulb. Get this back in there. And I'll probably need my other. All right, y'all, so I didn't plug it all the way in, but I think that should have good connection right here. So let's just do us a little dummy test. Get your little key fob here. Boom, baby. And just like that. So that's what it was. I guess it was something with that old light. Maybe it got corroded or something. I mean, I put them on when I first got the truck. It's been a little bit over a year. Got the truck in January. Not this year, but last year. So, well, either way, we're rocking and rolling. Next step, though, is we're gonna have to pull this off, and I'll show you how to pull this one out right here. It's pretty easy. You just need to get this metal bracket, this plate that's back here. You gotta fight with this metal bracket back here. You may need some tools. That's how you saw that I have like a flat head and some other needle nose pliers and stuff, because yeah, I mean, it does a number on your fingers. Make sure you put on some gloves, because yeah, you don't want to cut yourself on that metal. Damn, that would hurt. All right, so I got my pliers up here. What you're gonna do is, yeah, you're gonna see, you're gonna have to mess around with it. Let's see, pull it back against the metal. Look, there it comes. And I'll probably use my other hand to get the light from falling out. But yeah, you're gonna bite with this thing. Yeah, get yourself a good set of pliers. You got something like this. So check it out. Once you get it out, it's like a little C bracket. That's what you're gonna do. This is gonna slide in through the back, lock it into place. And so with that out, this sucker comes right on out. So this is, like I said, a year old, dirty. Got some rain the other day, so wondering, since I'm down here, maybe I should replace both, or maybe just put on the one and I'll keep the other one as a backup. So make sure you get the right one. So let me pull the other one out right here really fast. So you just run the wires. So then just like that, it's gonna sync. You see this right here? This is where that clamp goes through, and that's what's gonna hold this through right here, this little crevice. So sync back that light and plate light like that, and you're good to go. You just come back from the bottom, you're gonna put that clamp back in, and then yeah, put on that resistor, put in the connector into your light bulb wire right there, and you're ready to rock and roll. All right, y'all, so I did just put a little bit of Tesa tape and I wrapped it around this wire here. Nothing too crazy. I mean, just something to hold it in place. Let's see, the same thing right here. Nothing too crazy. I wasn't gonna do the wires or anything like that, because see that it may not last that long. I mean, you want to have easy access. Just get your little, knife or something to cut it there if you need to replace it. But at least it's, like I said, tucked away. All right, y'all. So let's see. Boom, 1 and 2. All right, everybody. Well, with that, thank you very much for watching the quick and fast replacement on your plate lights there. I will throw up the link if you're interested. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Peace.